Hi guys, I'm Nora. Welcome to Ningbo Marshan. Now I will show this product, Double Hook Turnbuckle. Double Hook Turnbuckle is a bulk with two hooks. Here, two hooks. And it plays role in tightening the steel wire rope, strand steel wire, and some others. Its two hooks can be adjusted and we can rotate it like this. And about how to use it. Firstly, we can hang the wire rope on the two hooks and then install the handle, this handle. We also can rotate it to install and fasten the bulk to pull the handle to tighten the wire rope. The raw materials is alloy stone and the surface is made of hot galvanized, zinc plated or polished. There are several models of this product and the related load of this one is 10 kilonewton. The weight is 3 kilograms. If you want to know more details for this product, you can find out them in our website and please feel free to consult.